Hi, this is Gopinath. Today we are going to see the basic terms in electricity. That is the first point 1, the electric current and circuit. Point 2, the electric potential and potential difference. Point 3, circuit diagram. Point 4, Ohm's law, and point 5, resistance of a conductor. We'll see one by one now. What is meant by electric circuit and current? See, first thing we'll know what is electric circuit. If you see any current passing through a closed path, then it is called as electric circuit. The flow of the current will be continuous. For example, if you see the diagram, I have connected a battery to a bulb. Here the current flows from positive to negative pole, whereas the electrons move in the direction of negative to positive. So this is what the convention system says. What is electric current? The amount of charge flowing through a cross section of conductor in unit time is called as electric current. So what is the notation for it? It is I. Next one is I is equal to Q by T, where Q is the charge which is measured in coulomb and T in seconds. So what does it mean? Electric current. How can we understand it in general terms? That we are going to see now. You might have seen the air flowing in one direction like this. So this is called air current. Similarly, when you see the water in a bed, the water may be moving in this direction. So this is called as water current. Similarly, the electrical charges move from one point to another point. That we call it as electric current. That is, if you see a conductor like this, when the electron moves in this direction, then the current flows in this direction. So this is called as electric current. So from this analogy, you come to know that electric current is also like air current or water current. So it has got a direction in motion. Similarly, the current has also a direction. The current moves opposite to the direction of the flow of electron. This is the conventional sign in electric current. We will see what is 1 ampere. See, the charge unit is coulomb, that is capital C. So when one coulomb of charge flows in any cross section of conductor in unit time, then it is called 1 ampere. So it's symbolically 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. So we don't measure always coulomb per second. Instead we say the current is measured in ampere. Then what it is known as electric potential and potential difference. See, the potential is, you might have seen the water moves from higher energy level to lower energy level. Similarly, the current also moves from higher potential level to lower potential level. That is, we call it as electric potential. Next, what is potential difference? See, we will see some examples for potential difference before going to. Suppose a water is at the same in a beaker, it is contained in a beaker, the water does not move. Whereas if you take the same concept, like you have got a hole in it, now the water moves from this point to this point and flows like this. How? Why? Because the thing is, the level of water is higher than the level of the spout. This is the difference between these two. So here the H is the creates potential difference, that is called as mgh, which makes the water flow. Similarly, in current you have got, in a conductor you have got a potential difference called V. See, the V is one side is higher and other side is lower. Hence, the charge moves from higher voltage potential, higher voltage to lower voltage. Next one is, what is Ohm's law? Ohms is a scientist. He found out that current is directly proportional to voltage. So it is V by I is equal to constant, which is nothing but the resistance of the material. What is resistance? The resistance is nothing but when we send some potential difference current through a conductor, there created a potential difference. So the potential difference to the current ratio is called as resistance of a conductor. The unit for resistance is ohm, and voltage is volt, and I is ampere. So this is how we measure the resistance of the conductor by using this formula. I hope you enjoyed this session. We will come with some other points with respect to electricity on some other day. Thank you.